Hi, my name is Marcus with WTI, and today I want to share with you guys this BNF French coffee press or tea maker. As I mentioned, you can use this either for coffee or for tea. I've mostly used it for coffee, and to this day it hasn't disappointed. As you can see, it has a nice holder. As well, it is made out of very great glass, which is tempered glass, which means it won't break under any extreme heat conditions. This coffee maker allows me to do 20 ounces, but I only need 1 cup for now. Once we have our coffee and our water together, we want to press it. Now the good thing is with this one, it has a little strainer. So all of the grains and all of the little particles are going to be pressed down to the bottom, and the only thing that's going to come up is your freshly made coffee. Just like so. Now we've used this with coffee, but if you use it with tea as well, like herbs, the only thing that's going to come out is your infused tea or your coffee. This coffee maker is great because whenever I travel, I can travel with it, and I have my cup of coffee anywhere and everywhere. And it's also good if you have friends or family over because you can have that ready for them too. So now that I have my fresh cup of coffee, I'm gonna go enjoy it, and that's my point of view.